Hello children, how are you all? Sairam to you. Hope you are fit and fine. So today let's start with our class. Now in grammar again today we are not going to start with any of the new topic. Again we will be doing revision and we will be revising articles. Okay. So in articles, uh, do you remember the three best friends who were there? A, an, and the third one is the, right? Okay, so we are going to just revise all these three. Are you ready for that? Okay, so articles we have a, and, the, right? These three are called as articles. Now we also know that the is called as definite article and a and an is called as indefinite article, right? The is definite article and a, an are indefinite articles. Okay, I hope you remember this. Okay, now when to use them? A is used before a word beginning with a consonant. Do you remember the example? We say a cow. Before vowels which have the sound U. Okay, why U? U. So again, uniform, right? Right? Do we use that? We use, right? Then the third one, before the word one, right? So we get the hyphenated word like a one-eyed man, remember? Yes. Then an. When is an is used? An is used before words beginning with a vowel, right? An old man, an old, right? Before words beginning with a silent H. Honest, remember? Then the is used to refer to a particular person or thing, a definite one, right? So I hope you remember this. Okay. Now we'll solve the examples which are given in your book. Ready with the grammar book and pen? Okay, so let's move. The question goes, fill in the blanks with suitable articles. So you have to fill the articles. So the first one, dash children are eating apples. Okay, so some children are eating. We are talking here about some particular children. That is why your answer will be the. Okay, so we have used the article the here. The children are eating apples. Can you tell me how to get to dash school from here? Now again the. Why the? Because the speaker is talking about a particular school, definite school. So the. And the third one. Mother Teresa was dash Roman Catholic nun. Okay, there are many nuns, many Roman Catholic nuns, and Mother Teresa is one of them. So here we have used the article a. Mother Teresa was a Roman Catholic nun. He is dash old friend of mine. Again the word old, O, it starts with O, right? So it is with sound vowel, right? So before a vowel we always use an. So the answer is he is an old friend of mine. The fifth one. Seema is wearing a red dress with blue shoes. So your answer is a, right? Why a? Again, we are not talking about any particular. So a red dress, right? Seema is wearing a red dress with blue shoes. Okay, we are not talking about any particular. So a has come. It is raining. You should take dash umbrella. An umbrella, right? You, umbrella, the sound is a. It's a vowel sound. So an will come. Seventh one, dash winning team received dash silver cup. And the articles used are the winning team. Okay, one only team wins. So we are talking about the particular. So the winning team received a silver cup. Okay, we do not know exactly which cup. What is the name of that silver cup? So it is a silver cup. Then eighth one. Hawaii is dash island in the Pacific Ocean. So again, I is a vowel. So an will come. Hawaii is an island in the Pacific Ocean. Okay, why the has come here? Because we are talking about the Pacific Ocean. It is a particular one and one only Pacific Ocean. That is why the is there, isn't it? So Hawaii is an island in the Pacific Ocean. Got it? Now, let's start with another question in your book. And here it goes. Insert articles wherever necessary and rewrite the sentence. So we'll just read the sentence first, then we'll just think over it, and we have to insert the articles at the right place. Dog is faithful animal. What do you think will be the articles introduced here? Which articles we have to insert here? Yes, the dog is a faithful animal. Okay, why here the is used? Why the dog is used? Because the dog is the word which is introduced at the first time only. So why the has come? The has come because we are talking about dog. Okay, and the dog, the class of dog. Okay, it is, all the dogs are faithful, isn't it? So we are talking about the particular class of dog. Okay, so that is why the dog is a faithful animal. Okay, so here you can say, we know that all dogs are faithful, and here the refers, these dogs, they refer to the whole class of dogs. That is why the dog is a faithful animal. We have also introduced a there, right? Okay, let's move ahead. He comes in auto rickshaw. So answer is, he comes in an auto rickshaw, isn't it? Why again an has come? Because of the which what has come here? Auto is a, starting with a, right? So a is what? It is a vowel sound. That is why auto rickshaw. He comes in an auto rickshaw. The third one, auto rickshaw is yellow and green. Now remember, we are using the articles here, right? And the articles we are using in sentences, 1, 2, 3. We have the numbers here. So it is not a paragraph, right? So now the third sentence is auto rickshaw. In the second sentence also we had auto rickshaw. Remember? Auto rickshaw, he comes in an auto rickshaw. But the third sentence is not connected to the second sentence. Okay, so it is a completely new sentence. Okay, so auto rickshaw is yellow and green. So we have the answer, an auto rickshaw is yellow and green. Okay, so we have used an here. Okay, and not the, because the second number and the third number sentence are not related to each other. They are sentences, right? So that is why we have used here an, and we have not used the, right? Now if they were not connected, they were in paragraph, the second sentence and third sentence, then definitely we would have used, instead of an, we would have used the. But they are not connected, they are different sentences here, numbers are given. That is why we have used an. Followed? Okay, now let's move. He lives in Chandni Chowk near Red Fort. Answer is, he lives in Chandni Chowk near the Red Fort. Okay, the Red Fort is one and only one, specific one, definite one. So, the Red Fort. He trains the dog for hour. Again, answer is, he trains the dog for an hour. Why an? Again, H is silent, right? We do not say har, we say hour or hour, isn't it? So H is silent here. So we use an before a silent H. So here we have an hour. He trains the dog for an hour. Sixth one. You are actor. You are actor. Now here, you are an actor. Why an? Again, a, the noun which is starting, the letter which is starting, it is starting with the vowel sound, right? A, actor. That is why you are an actor. Honesty is best policy. Okay, best, right? So it is the best policy. So answer is honesty is the best policy, right? Honesty is best policy. Answer is honesty is the best policy. Okay, best. Do you remember the degree of comparison? Right? Best, which degree it comes? Yes, superlative, the best, right? No other policy is best other than honesty. So honesty is the best policy. Now eighth one. We flew to Nicobar Islands. We flew to Nicobar Islands. Answer is we flew to the Nicobar Islands. So here the is inserted. We flew to the Nicobar Islands. Okay, they are again one and only one Nicobar Islands, right? There is no other Nicobar Islands, right? They are different islands, but the name to this island is Nicobar, and we have only the Nicobar Islands. That is why the is introduced here. Ninth one. Give me glass of water. Give me glass of water. Right? Answer is give me a glass of water. Give me a glass of water. Again a, right? Introducing for the first time, so the will not come. And G, the word G is not a vowel. So again an will not come. So here a glass, right? A glass of water. Give me a glass of water. 10th one. My friends are eager to see Qutub Minar. Now again Qutub Minar. Do we have many Qutub Minars? Or we have only one? We have only one, right? So what will be the answer? My friends are eager to see the Qutub Minar. Particular one, right? The definite one. So the Qutub Minar. My friends are eager to see the Qutub Minar. Now the C question in your book. Read the passage below carefully. Then fill each of the blanks with a, an, or the. So again we have to insert the articles. If no article is required, put a cross in the blank. Now let's see. Now you can see in front of you a passage in your book, right? So let's read out. Tom, the chimney sweeper. Now why the is used here? Because we are talking about a particular chimney sweeper. Who is he? Tom, right? So that is why the will come. Tom, the chimney sweeper, got lost among dash chimneys. Now here you can see a cross. That means no article is used here. Why? Why is it so? Why we have not used any other articles? If a is not there, then the not, then an. But we have not used any of these three. Why so? It is because the word chimneys, okay, first place, the word chimneys, it is what? Plural? Plural noun, right? Chimneys. So there are many chimneys, plural. So we do not use a, right? We do not use a when the noun is in plural form, right? So a will not be used. Then why not an? Why not an? Because C, we have C here, right? And C is not a vowel, so again an will not come. Then the is remaining. Now why not the? Okay, we can also have the here. Why the is not used? Because we are not talking about any particular chimney. Okay, first place. Then again the word chimneys is introduced for the first time in this passage, right? Chimneys. Okay, here we have chimney here, but it is in different concern. We are talking here about Tom, and here the word chimneys which we are talking. Okay, the word chimneys, it is being introduced for the first time. In general they are talking, so again we cannot use the article the there, right? So none of the articles will be we are able to put here, insert here. Why? Because of the reason which I have explained. Okay, a will not come because chimneys, s is there, that is, it is a plural, so a will not come. C is not a vowel, so an will not come, and it is neither silent, right? So again an will not come, and the will also not come because we are introducing the word chimney for the first time. So the will not come, and we are not talking about any particular chimney. So the will not, we are not supposed to put any article here. So the will also not come. Followed? So here we have put a cross. Okay, so you got a cross in this blank. Got it? So let's move ahead. Chimneys of, we'll start from the beginning. Tom, the chimney sweeper, got lost among, again a blank, we have put a cross, chimneys of a large house. Now we do not know which house for the first time, so a large house, and came into the wrong room. Okay, the wrong room. Now again wrong room, we are introducing it for the room is being introduced for the first time. So why the has come? Because we are talking about the particular room in which Tom has entered, right? So he came into the wrong room. It was a beautiful room. Again for the first time, so we are talking about it was a beautiful room, all done in white. Then it goes dash the furniture. Okay, so in that dash we have put the furniture. So again we are talking about that particular furniture which is there in that room. So the furniture was also white. The carpet, again a particular, the carpet had bright and grey flowers on it. The next thing, okay, again particular thing he saw. So the next thing he saw was a bathtub. First time, right? So a bathtub full of clean water and a cake of soap, again a first time, in the shape of, okay, now particular shape is there, so the shape of an owl. Owl, o vowel sound, so an has come. Tom then saw the particular, okay, so the most beautiful girl on the bed. Her hair was like threads of gold spread on the pillow. Okay, particular pillow. So, the pillow. Tom wondered if she was a doll, right? A doll first time, a doll, or a fairy, or an angel, a sound, that is why an angel from heaven. Got it? So now I hope if you have done it earlier, if you have done, finished with writing the answers in your grammar book, just go through it, check whether the answers are correct. If no, then complete your work. Okay, and I hope you are doing your cursive writing also, right? Every Saturday, Sunday, you have to complete one page. Do you remember that? Okay, so it will help you to improve your handwriting also. So write neatly in your cursive writing book. Okay, so we'll stop here for the day. I hope you followed today's lesson articles. Okay, bye. We'll stop here.